All right, everybody, welcome back to the studio. Very excited today to unpack our acoustic foam that we're going to be using in our voice tracking booth. We got this by foambymail.com. We're going to open this up. Should have 48 1 foot by 1 foot, 2-inch thick wedge foam panels and 2 bass traps in there. They say open it quickly so you can give it a day or two to expand and air out. All right, here we go with, I guess, what is my first unboxing video here on the channel. Once again, pick this foam up. Foambymail.com was about the cheapest spot you could find for 2-inch thick foam. It was less than $100 for 48 pieces and 2 bass straps to go from the corners of the voice tracking studio. And they say make sure you unpack this as quickly as possible. You don't want it to be in the box for too long. Go ahead and open her up, let her expand for a day or two, and then the next video will be going ahead and installing that. Did a little bit of other stuff over the this past week. Show you a little bit of that, just basically continuing that backdrop wall that we started in the other video. But I had some mixed results with ironing the thing out, so I'm waiting for some Velcro, no, not Velcro, hook and loop dots to arrive. That is bundled up, huh? And we're going to use those in the corners to go ahead and kind of stretch it tighter, because a lot of times you'll have a stand that you're going to put your backdrop off of and clamps that you can clamp on there to kind of stretch it tight at the corners. You don't have to worry as much about the wrinkles in the fabric. So we're going to try kind of that idea, but with some hook and loop dots. Unwrap and unbundle and unwrap. It just keeps on going, folks. Alright, so we've made it into the vacuum pack here. Right, we can mess with that or we can just cut it. Hear the air rushing in. There you go. That's getting bigger. Alright, so we got our panels, and these things just lock together like that, and they should expand out pretty close to 1 foot. Stack these over here, and then also got a couple of corner bass straps, and those will go up in the corners of the studio, or the voice tracking booth, I should say, so they can air out. Alright, so here we go. 2 bass straps there, 48 acoustic panels. Those will go up on the wall in the voice tracking booth, and a couple, I think, on some of the walls out here, just to add a little extra sound absorption to the room out here. Once again, here's our acoustic panels that we made in the first couple of videos on this channel. Go check those out. Got some of our lighting equipment over there. Computer setup over here. And things are still coming together. And then, of course, we have the curtains there in the background wall. Then we're working to get some of those wrinkles and stuff out. Probably put some of the acoustic panels up right there, and something up in that corner there, maybe above the door, just to absorb some sound there, or maybe on the door. That's one of our few hard walls left in here. Show you real quick the voice tracking booth too. Go ahead and turn the light on in here. Basically, moved a bookshelf in here. Bookshelves are great for sound diffusion. There's my girls. And you can hear the echo in here. It certainly picks up once you get in here because we haven't put any kind of sound absorption. We've got a little modular desk, a musical keyboard. Everything runs through a Sapphire 6 USB Pro mixing board. Cloned monitor in here that we can use for our scripts. So there you go, a little brief tour of the studio. Stay tuned, and in the next one we're going to get these acoustic panels up, do some audio testing, and let you hear how it sounds once we get the acoustic panels up in the voice tracking booth. Thanks so much for watching. Leave us a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you like what you see and you want to see more of what we're doing. And definitely leave a comment with your feedback, anything that you'd like to see differently.